In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your TradersWay account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your dashboard. So go to po.tradersway.com and sign into your account. Now, whenever you do this, over here, top left, below your username and the email, it's going to say status not verified, okay? So you want to click on upload verification docs over here, and it's going to open up your settings. But if for some reason this tab is not showing up top, you can also access it by going over here. So you want to go to up here where it says edit profile, and it's going to open up the edit profile, and you want to go to my documents. Now in here, when you go to my documents, you can see it says account verification, and to basically make deposits or take part in some promotions, you'll have to basically verify your account. Now to do this, you'll have to provide the following, which is a personal ID. So you'll need a copy of your passport or a national ID card or driver's license, which must contain your photo, and as you can see, it must also not be expired. Then here you have the documents format requirements, the resolution, and the maximum size over here. And of course, as you can see over here, there's some additional things as well. Now, whenever you do this, you can just click on upload personal ID. So when you have your images, click on over here. And then when you do so, it's going to start loading your page and you'll be able to basically verify. So you have to click on select document on your computer or drag it here. You can just drag and drop it in here, or you can click on here and find your documents and then basically upload them and just continue, and it's going to basically take you into the verification process. And whenever you do this and whenever they approve it, you'll basically get your account verified that way. So that's how to verify your TradersWay account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.